Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? Another round of showers and thunderstorms starting first thing in the morning along the beaches, and then they push inland later on in the afternoon. And by evening, they work their way into the interior counties. But the last couple of days, what's happened, and I think it happens again on Thursday, changes on Friday, as they try to back build across the remaining part of our area. In other words, go back from the east and then go back toward the west between about 8 o'clock and 11 o'clock in the evening hours. And then they ramp up again first thing in the morning. Now, Friday it begins to change. We see more of a late day, early afternoon variety, and the storms will come back toward the beaches. But that's not until Friday. So as I mentioned, Thursday morning, I think we see the same thing we've seen the last couple of mornings, some early morning showers along the beach. By lunchtime, they start to build, and then they get stronger as they move inland. By Friday, I do believe we start to see the changes in the sense of more sunshine during the day and heavier storms in the afternoon and the evening hours. GFS model shows this. How can we tell that by just seeing this? Well, when we're in more of a westerly flow, the heavier rain, the darker reds would be on the east coast. But when we see that more on the west coast, then that's our indicator that the winds are going to come out of an easterly or southeasterly direction and push the heaviest rain to our coastline by late afternoon and early evening. That's more of our classic summertime pattern. Take a look at Florida's most accurate 7-day forecast. Rain chances pretty much exactly where they should be at about 50% each and every day. I mean, maybe a bit of drier air tries to roll in early next week, but that's a very difficult forecast trying to pinpoint a 10% change in coverage. So we're going to stick with status quo, meaning more of the late day storms and sunshine early this weekend, which means if you're going to the beach, you look much better for the first 2/3 of the day. The storms don't arrive until after 4 or 5.